Hi guys, Jesby in the UK, shooting a quick update video for you on the My Passive Trades program. It's been a little while since I did the last one, and it is Monday the 10th of June 2019, and just going to have a quick run through with it really. If you're new to My Passive Trades and have not seen any of the previous videos, basically this is my #1 program at the moment in terms of passive online earnings. I've been with My Passive Trades since the 2nd of January 2019, and it's just so sort of simple to get involved with, in so much as you are basically buying ad pack shares, if you like. That the beauty of the program is it's your choice whether you choose to use the ad pack shares. They have a limited lifespan. Basically, for every $5 ad pack share you get, it is earning you up to 1.25% daily with a sustainable plan and real trading proof. We'll go into that a little bit more in a minute. But since I've been with the program, it's pretty much consistently averaging 1% daily. But obviously, there could be the capacity that they could pay up to 1.2%. But currently it's at 1% daily. That's 7 days a week, so it's not just Monday to Friday. And those advertising packs that you're buying expire at 125%. So you can imagine that roughly 1% a day, we're looking at 125 days, between 120 and 125 days. And the way it works with the trading, now they do offer a 2-tier affiliate program. So on your first level directs, they actually pay out 8% commission on any purchases, and on that second level they pay 3%. You can see that on the home page there. So effectively what happens is they're paying out technically 11 cents on every $1 that's put into the program. So with the 89 cents remaining, that goes into the trading, and to cover the 125% effectively means that over the period of the nearly 4 months, or the 125 days, it's a 40% gain that they would need to achieve. So that works out around about 10% per month. Now, what their skilled sort of traders have been averaging is pretty much a consistent sort of 15%. You'll see that in the video below here. Now, I have put a link to this video directly in my description area, so if you watch Darren's video you'll get a bit more explanation there. I'll also put another link where they actually show you their Binance accounts and actual trading going on, which, to be honest, in this space, guys, is extremely rare for anyone to do, let alone that you see who one of the co-owners is. But most programs, where they tell you they have AI bots, trading bots, etc., etc., most of these programs out there, guys, they're talking a pack of crap. They don't have anything there, and they are reliant on just new funds coming in. With My Passive Trades, it is totally sustainable. Even if there were no new members joining the program, those who are already in would be earning their daily percentages, because we have real trading going on. Now, as I say, because they've been hitting a sort of a consistent 15%, they're also building up the company reserves, which is good. So even in a bear market where the trading may not be as active, etc., they've still got enough reserves there to sustain the sort of 1% at the moment. What we'll do, we'll just log in now. Just wondering if there's anything else here. Obviously, I do make use of the advertising. I'm sure a lot of other members possibly don't, but it's, you know, there's a high sort of traffic yield coming over to this site now. And if you check My Passive Trades out on Alexa, you know, they have got a lot of traffic coming here. So you're getting a lot of eyeballs on potential advertising you can put onto this site. Now, in terms of, you might think, oh, if it's ad packs, etc., etc., it means I've got to view a load of ads. The only thing you're going to view on this site, guys, is literally, we're going to do it now. When you log in, let me just click here. I've just got to do my Google 2FA, so bear with me just one sec. Right, I've literally just done the 2FA thing, and you can see there's a 10-second countdown timer. So literally when you log in, you're only required to view one login ad, and that's it. Got no idea what this is, but no interest to me. But that's not to say there might be something that crops up there one day. And obviously you have the ability, if you have a program, etc., you could also put your site into the program so it becomes one of the login ads. Let's just skip past that. And we're now in the back office. Let me just bring this over a tag just so you can see this section over here. On the main dashboard, you've got your basic account info, etc. You've got your passive trade pack summary. Since my last video, I have increased quite considerably on what I now have. And I'll be totally transparent. I've been promoting the program pretty much since day one that I joined it on the 2nd of Jan, and I've had a few referrals that have obviously you know, been purchasing packs, etc. So I built up quite a bit of sort of referral commission that I'm obviously looking to recycle back into the program. So as you can see there, in terms of active ad packs, I've got $2,730. I have had a few, obviously because I've been in since the beginning of January, some of the ad packs have expired, so I've got 205 that expires. That's where you get the difference showing there, guys, from total ad packs, and then obviously you get the active. Total earned has been $1,032.90. Currently in my wallet I've got $521.70, and withdrawal so far, I've done 2 that I videoed, just to actually show those going through the system. And it's literally as easy as this, guys. All you would do is, if you check in each day, once you've made a deposit into the program, as soon as you earn anything over $5, you can actually obviously make a purchase. You can also withdraw. You're not forced to buy any more ad pack shares. If you want to take the money out, as long as you've got over, let me just think now. Sorry, I think it's over $10 to actually take anything out. So once you hit over 10, you can actually make a withdrawal, and that's obviously going back to your Bitcoin wallet. But you can see there I've got 521.70. So what I'm going to do now, let's just quickly show you the, I'll do 4 ad pack purchases now, so that'll be $20. So all you do to do that, you come down to the bit that says passive trades packs, buy ad packs, and we will just put 4 there. You can see there it says these packs expire at 125%. Bearing in mind, guys, the 100% of that is your original $5 that's returned. Okay, so it's actually a 25% earning on the $5. And as it says there, no surfing required to earn. Payment option, obviously, from the availability. I've got a Bitcoin, and we buy now, and press OK. There we go. Shares successfully purchased. And if I now go back to account overview, if we scan down, we can see we've got the $20 worth has been added there. So I've now got 2,750. If we scan down, you can see it's taken the 20 out there. And yeah, otherwise the stats have stayed the same. And you can view those as well. If you actually go to the passive trades pack, you can actually view my ad packs, and that will give you a sort of a listing. So you can see the 4 I've just bought there, and literally every sort of number of packs I bought, you can just scan down. You can see I did quite a big purchase there, so you can see where I've been bumping certain things up. There was another 80 there on the 29th of May. So yeah, just been sort of building this. Let's just run through these things. So obviously account view is where you see the dashboard, and general settings will be where you put your passwords, etc., wallet details. Sorry, cash out settings will be wallet details. I'm not obviously clicking through to those, guys, because there's personal information that I don't want to show. My wallet, you've obviously got your wallet balance if you want to deposit money and if you want to withdraw money. Okay. Passive trades, as we said, if you want to buy, you click the buy ad packs. If you want to just view the ad packs you've got, you click my ad packs. Trading school, now, as I've said, I'm not actually in this at the moment, but if you wanted to actually learn a bit more about doing trading yourself, you could actually get involved in this. It's tied in with a sort of a matrix option as well, and there's a two-part sort of learning process here where you get a video series that you follow, etc., to learn the basics, and then there's an option that you can get sort of personal mentoring in the program as well. But what I would say is, once you sort of sign up and then go through to the site, you could sort of check these out. But just for transparency, I couldn't really advise if that's suitable for you or what the success is of doing this sort of thing. It's not something I want to do. I mean, I'm quite happy to do this passively and let them sort of trade it, but it might be something I look into further along the line. But at the moment, I'm not inclined personally to do it, but it is there if it's something you want to do. And it's obviously, it's like anything, it's not a bad skill to have, because then you're not reliant. If this program disappeared in a month's time or 2 years' time or whatever, then obviously it would be good to have an option that you could fall back and potentially do something on your own and not be reliant on a program doing the trading for you. But that's your sort of choice. As I say, I'm not personally in it at the moment. That may change along the line. Okay. Obviously there's advertising here. You can purchase ad credits, you can do directory ads, banner ads, and if you go to my websites, that will list any that you've got. I think I did have some login ads. Let me just see if they are still current, if I've still even got them. Where are we? Yeah, I had a few there, but I think most of them, they're all zeroed out now, so I have to go back in there and have a look at that. Banners, I did have some banners. Let me just see. There we go. And I've got quite a lot of these. I've still got credits remaining, and these are showing on the site. And I do get, you can see there on one of them, nearly 1,000 click-throughs on that one, and 904 on another program. So they certainly do get people looking at them and clicking at them, so I can attest to that. Obviously history, now you've got your transactions, commissions, deposits, withdrawals, subscriptions are all listed there. Let's have a look. Let's just show you. I'll go into the transactions ones because that will just show the recent 4 ad packs that we bought. So there you go. Where are we? You can see there, Jez1 buys 4 shares. So that's the ones we've just done in the video, and yeah, it documents each time they're making a payment against previous shares you've had. So hopefully that's pretty clear. As I say, you can view loads of other options there. You can track your commissions, your deposits, withdrawals, etc. Referrals program. Basically, if you click that one, it will show your referrals. Now, obviously, with that one, I'm not going to click through to that because that will potentially show, personal information there on my referrals. I'm just shy of 30 first-level referrals and 5 second-level referrals. So, over time, if you keep, if you are looking to promote, if you put your link out there, that's Facebook posts you can do, obviously YouTube videos. I use a lot of sort of traffic exchange options, and 4-ways marketing is another good one that I use. So plenty of ways you can do it, guys. It's not going to happen, unless you're already a marketer that's got a big list. If you're starting from scratch, yes, it will take time, but over time, if you're sharing fairly good content, or even sharing the videos that the Polaris Universal put out, people will see it and obviously come through, and over time, you can get those sort of sign-ups. Promotional tools, let's just click through there. And now, this is you'll have your main referral link at the top, and then if you come down, they haven't got any splash pages at the moment. Hopefully they will develop that, because in all honesty, and I know I've mentioned it to the one of the co-owners, Darren, that I think the homepage could look a little bit more exciting. It's not one of the most glamorous looking sites, but obviously all we're really worried about is, behind the scenes is the trading doing whatever and giving us out, 1% a day. But in terms of, if you're promoting the program, it's nice to have a site that is quite attractive and has an easy to follow format, you know, if you're looking to get others to potentially look at joining the business. So you know, hopefully at some stage there will be some more splash pages coming, etc. Plenty of banner options there, guys. So you've got your the gift links and your referral link all listed down there, so there's plenty there to choose from. Let's come back to the top and go back to the My Account section. Here we go. Alright, so we're back to the front page, as I say. This, for me, has sort of exceeded my expectation, and on my previous video on my passive trades, you'll see on the spreadsheet when I was looking at how this would calculate out for year end, from just compounding, it was probably going to work out at around about 3,500 by year end. I'm literally going to do, actually, sorry, we will do a $250 purchase on the next video. I'm going to withdraw $250 out to take something out of the program, but I will put $250 there and we'll bump it up to 3,000. And we're only, what, at the 10th of June, so we're hitting kind of the 3,000 mark almost 5 or 6 months earlier than I originally thought I would, through just compounding what I was earning daily out of this. So if anyone ever says, is it worth promoting certain programs, then I'd say definitely yes. Obviously, disclaimers below in terms of any earnings you do see, whether it's referral commission, etc. Those are my results. I'm fairly active in promoting those programs I am involved in. So it's not to say that you would necessarily achieve the same if you are looking to promote the business. But it's like anything. If you don't get started, you know, don't get your links out there, etc., it's not going to happen. Equally, could you just come in here and not promote it and compound and build it up? Yes, you can, guys, without a doubt, because that's how I originally got started. The only real difference is it's going to take you a little bit longer to hit your goals, simple as. But that's the same in, you know, most programs you're going to look at. So that is it. What I'm going to do, we will go up to the passive trades. We'll do buy ad packs. So we are going to be buying 50 ad packs, because 50 ad packs will give me $250 worth. And if we come back down here, we are going to click on the Bitcoin. We're going to buy it. And there we go, shares successfully purchased. So if we now go back to my account overview, and we come down, and there we go, boom. So we have $3,000 now in active ad packs. Obviously it's brought my total wallet balance down to $254.70. And we will look to do a withdrawal. Let's see, where are we? We go to my wallet and we come down to withdraw money. We can see here, obviously from balance 254. So we're going to take out $250. So there is going to be a fee there of $2.50, because I'd like that to sort of kind of round up. Why don't we look to clear that, and then that would probably, hopefully, cover the fee. Let's see. We'll clear it to a, yeah, because it's going up to $2.54, which would mean I would get 252. Let's see. Let's have a play around here. I'm being a little bit OCD with it now. That's fine, because that would mean I'd get around about 250.47. So we'll leave a little something in. Let's leave a bit of small change in. We'll leave $1.70 in. Now it's going to ask which account, so that will be my wallet address. So I'm obviously not going to show that on screen. And obviously there is the sort of security question there, which I will fill in a sec. And withdraw. We'll come back once I've done that, guys. There you go, guys. You can see withdrawal request has been initiated. So I've requested $253 from my balance. And there you go, guys. You also get a withdrawal email, so it's confirming the request has been initiated, and says on the 10th of June, transaction details, so amount withdrawn $253, and the payment method is obviously BTC. So there we go, guys. Obviously I've had the email through that the withdrawal request has been initiated. So obviously today's video, you've obviously witnessed that we've pushed the holdings up to $3,000 now, showing their total earn $1,036. Balance is down to literally $2 now, and we've got a pending withdrawal of $250.47. Obviously that's less the fee that's made. And what I will do, I'll show that when it hits the, I've actually sent that through to my blockchain wallet, so when that hits through, I'll show that as a confirmation. Now, as I say, there's a couple of links below to Darren's video with the overview for the program. There's also the link where he did the Facebook Live, and you can see the behind the scenes Bitcoin trading. They actually did another live today on the 10th of June 2019, so if there is a link for that, I will obviously put that there as well. There was a good Q&A section in today's live that they did. And again, if you want to do a little bit more sort of background checking on the company, because I always say you've got to do your due diligence with any program you're looking to get into. There is their official Facebook site, which is the Polaris Universal Project official. So there's that one you can go to, and also they have the Polaris Universal YouTube channel, where all of the sort of daily updates, etc., are all listed here. So you've got a wealth of videos you can look at with all aspects of the program. Polaris Universal Limited is the holding company of My Passive Trades, and they have a few other companies that are part of Polaris as well, so it's not just My Passive Trades. But obviously if you go to either the Facebook or the YouTube, you can sort of scan through those guys. Right, guys, what I've done to wrap the video up and complete the whole chain of events, if you like, it is now approximately 9:02 AM on Tuesday 11th of June, and you can see yesterday the email that we received was sent through at 10:58. That was the one saying to me that the withdrawal request had been initiated, and you can see there the 10th of June 2019. If we go back to the inbox, you will see this morning at 6:50 AM, 10 to 7 in the morning, Bitcoin payment received, and let's just click that through. They're advising me that I've received the payment, and also just to confirm on the actual My Passive Trades, the pending withdrawal I had has actually now gone to a status of a paid withdrawal. So what we're going to do, we're going to check at the my blockchain wallet just to see that that has arrived. There we go, guys. If I click into the Bitcoin wallet, you will see there June 11th 2019 at 6:50 AM received. That's a sum of 250.19. If you remember on the My Passive Trade site, I did request 253, but that allowed for the slight fee there was. And the key part was I wanted to make sure that without the fee, it was still going to be sort of $250 that I was taking out. So now it's sort of in the wallet, and obviously there's been any fluctuation on the BTC price. It's actually showing us $250.19. So yeah, again, that's another payment proof, guys, that the My Passive Trade guys do deliver. That took, if it was just shy of 11, and we're sort of saying about, so that was paid within around about sort of 8 hours, guys. So it just shows you, you know, it's within the 24 anyway, which is more than satisfactory for any program to make a payout. And that's going to be it for this video. As I say, this is without doubt my #1 program for passive earnings online at the moment, and plenty of material out there so you can do your research on them, your due diligence on the program. Plenty of other YouTubers involved in this as well. So I've been with the program since the 2nd of Jan. But as always with anything crypto based, I do say read the disclaimers below. You know, I started this off with literally, I think I went into it at about $10–20. Been building a little bit here and there, so you know, this isn't sort of a chunk of change that I put in. And obviously, because I've been in since the 2nd of January, passively I've, you know, been earning from the program. Yes, transparency, I do promote the program as well. So obviously, when I've had commission payments put through, rather than doing a lot of withdrawals from it, I've actually bought myself some more, you know, ad shares. So it just builds the base level that I had. Because then, if you're earning 1% a day, as you can see with that now, at 1% a day, that means I've got $30 a day that will go across to my wallet summary. And I think since I've been shooting the video, it was at $2 after I took that withdrawal out, and you can see it's already built up to 59. Now obviously there's probably some extra referral commissions landed in there as well. So it's not for everyone doing the actual promoting of a program, and some people might just want to come in, you know, do their thing, put their amounts in, keep buying the little ad packs, compound it out, and do that passively and not be involved in promotion, which is fine because you don't have to promote this program. But obviously if you do decide to do that, it can be an additional way of building up your own sort of balance within the active ad packs. And that is going to be it for this one, guys. So as always, thanks for watching. The link is below if you'd like to join my passive trades. There's also a couple of links there referring to the Facebook video that Darren Bradbury did showing the actual live trading going on Binance. And then I'll also put the link for the overview video below as well. So obviously take the time out if you know you'd be new to the program, give it a good sort of check out. As I say, they've been around long enough now. There's plenty of info out there for you to double check. Anyway, I'm going to wrap it up. We're just shy of 28 minutes, and yeah, obviously didn't want to go on quite as long, but I think it's, you know, it's important when it's a newish program that I give it as good an overview as I can on the video. So hopefully this video was informative for you, and yeah, I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care, guys.